Mastering article and determiner agreement. Making specific and general references. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today we're diving into agreement with specific and general references. This section falls under our broader topic of articles and determiners, and it's all about understanding how to use articles and determiners correctly in different contexts. Getting this right can significantly improve your writing and speaking fluency. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first. What do we mean by specific and general references? Well, in English, we use different articles and determiners to refer to something in a general way or a specific way. General references are when we're talking about things as a whole class or category. For example, when we say, dogs are loyal animals, we're referring to all dogs in general, not any particular dog. On the other hand, specific references are when we're talking about a particular item or items. For instance, when we say, the dog that lives next door is very friendly, we're talking about a specific dog. So, how do we use articles and determiners with specific references? We generally use the definite article, the, when we talk about specific items because we know exactly what we're referring to. Here's an exercise for you. Try to fill in the blanks. The blank, boy, girl, in the red coat is my sister. You can see that we use the because we're referring to a specific person, my sister. When it comes to general references, we often use the indefinite articles, a, or n, or no article at all. Let's practice this. Try to fill in the blanks. Blank, a, n, the cat is a wonderful pet. In this sentence, we're talking about cats in general, so we use a. Finally, let's touch on determiners. These include words like my, your, this, that, these, those, etc. The choice of determiner depends on whether you're making a specific or a general reference. Here's an example. This is blank, my, mine, book. You can see that we use my because we're referring to a specific book. That's a wrap on our lesson about article and determiner agreement. Remember, correctly using specific and general references can make a huge difference in the clarity of your English communication. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more natural this will become. Keep up the great work, and see you in the next video.